The global wedding industry is now worth about $180 billion US. Destination weddings account for roughly 45 billion of the amount and is expected to more than double by 2032. Here's Deidre Thomas with this week's edition of The Business Day.
Big crisis, big moment. President of the International Association of Destination Wedding Professionals, Kitsia Morales, says despite economic pressure, couples across the world are still spending heavily on destination weddings. In some cases, hundreds of thousands, even millions in US dollars. She said Jamaica may now be facing one of its biggest opportunity yet.
A lot of properties were able to take this opportunity to improve their own installations. And besides that, I think that there's a big opportunity in not only in that half of the world is closed, because one way or another, you cannot travel there. So Jamaica, English-speaking island, is very, very easy to communicate with everyone. Service is great and culture is amazing. Inflation and all of these things affect, but in one way or another, if a couple was thinking about Maldives, for example, they may choose Jamaica instead. It's closer and it's not gonna be so expensive.
According to the association, every single destination wedding generates economic activity across 72 industries.
Local companies, they benefit from every single destination wedding because a destination wedding, it brings a group of people, sometimes 50 people, sometimes 100, or maybe with Indian weddings, 300 people. And they benefit caterers, they benefit decor companies, they benefit audiovisual companies, they benefit, everybody wants to take souvenirs from Jamaica.
But corporate director of weddings and romance at Sandals Resort, Marsha Donaldson, says Jamaica should stop marketing itself as just another beach destination.
We're way more than rivers. We need to take full advantage of telling the story of our culture. We need to take full advantage of embracing that it takes community to make each wedding possible. We need to take advantage of how we need to integrate other than what's on the resort. What can people go off the island and do? How is it that they can integrate a grandmother's recipe that is on the island?
Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
And that's it for the news segment. Sports is next with Ricardo Chambers.